Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. All right, today I'm going to take the V-Link out. I'm going to turn this Vic-20 off. And it's not that I'm done. It's not that I'm done with the V-Link. It is not. But for the moment, I'm done. All right, it can sit there. Now, what I need to do is look at Vic-20s. Because Rudy from Rudy's Retro and Show has issues. He does. He's been trying to fix the Vic-20. It hasn't been going well. The first thing I need to look at this. 2 tangs broken. 2 tangs. Oh yeah, okay. It was in box. Yeah. So this, because I know it's not what one of the kind. This Vic-20 has a 2-prong plug, so this is not a candidate for this operation. It's lovely. It works. I'm pleased with it, but it is not a candidate. It can sit. And this one down here. This is also a 2-prong Vic-20. La la la, there it is. This one is actually got a pet style keyboard. Oldest. And all that would not work. All those chips test. Yeah. It's funny, the oldest ones have this other sticker here. And I've never had a look at it. This equipment is marketed pursuant to a waiver of FCC rules. Oh, Part 15, Subpart J. Operation of this computer in a residential area is likely to cause objectionable interference to radio and TV reception because it emits more radio frequency energy than FCC rules allow. If interference occurs, the user will be required to take all steps necessary to correct the interference. Of course, this is the one, this is an early one, and it does not have, it doesn't have the little case over top of the Vic chip. All right, so we need to help Mr. Rudy. So we have a Vic-20 here. Some chips are socketed. That is a maybe. Now, a lot of these, of course, are secured. Here's a very yellowed one. So incredibly yellowed. Some chips. That is a potential, but I know there's others here that will be better. Oh, look at that. Gross. Disgusting. All maybe chips are socketed. Here we go. This is the one. This is absolutely the one that will perhaps be of most assistance. Absolutely, positively. All right. I will open it up. By the way, it's filthy. So yes, all the major chips. But unfortunately, there are 2 RAM chips in here. That is one of the cost reduction things that they did. and they are not socketed. Okay, this one is going to Rudy. This should help with some testing. See, Rudy doesn't have any of these little boards, and up until recently, neither did I. Oh, that's not going to go. Anyway, I will set this here, and I will figure it out. Now, what is this? This is a potential Vic-20 kiloed major chips and might have issues. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's just set that aside for a second, because I think there was a better one here. Keyboard difficult, needs cleaning, froze up a couple of times shortly. All feet missing. No, this is not the one. There should be another one here. And there is. Oh, no. Oh, it's a two-pronger. No, there's another one. I know there's another one. But where is it? There's one. Oh, I might have to open them up. I might have to open them up. Maybe it's the one over here. No, it can't be. Oh, maybe it's here. Maybe it is here. Aha. Okay. Oh, so many to look through. Okay. I'm getting there. Now here is another very yellowed machine. It is. Ugh. Ow. Ow. I'm stuck on the disk drives. Okay. Let's get this one open. Let's see what we have to see. The data card was not taped on it because I guess I hadn't found the tape. This should be helpful. Okay. The screws are out. Now let's look in here. Right. Okay. Indeed, this is a CR cost reduced board, and nothing is socketed. So this, I think, will be helpful. I should read the card. Okay. Vic-20, works torture test further with cartridges shortboard. Oh. Okay. It works. The one thing I did not make note of, and I need to really have a universal form for this, which I don't, is and I don't have a power supply right handy for this. I need to get things moved here so I know what it is that I'm doing and what I'm passing along. All right, so oh, okay, that's not good. I'll set that up there. The main reason that we are sending these, one, because it has nothing in sockets, and the other because it does. Okay, so we have a power supply. Oh. And here it is. That is necessary. It is. So the power switch is off. It is. All right. I'll turn this on. And up comes a Vic-20. And the keyboard, although dirty, does seem okay. So this is a good candidate. It is. All right. Good. So we have the two Vic-20s that we will send away with Rudy. One with everything in sockets, and one with nothing. That should be good. So now, oh, okay, this. Right, the data card. I need to stick that onto the machine. So that he has a clue of what is what. There we go. Okay. Shaboom. It is done. So, good. That should be helpful because he has been having a heck of a time with this Vic-20. He has been checking out a horrible time. Alright, so these now, I know, are not going. Ooh, this one. Oh, dear. It is not sitting nice. Everything needs a screw. At least one. Funny, this one I wrote might help Rudy. But not everything. It's better to have everything in the socket when you're testing such things. Okay, now I think, oh yeah, there we go. There's another one. Missing some keys. They're in a bag somewhere. But this too should be tightened. Okay. Ta-da. Okay, now I've got to find a better way and a better place to put these and figure out what's what. So we're back to the original Vic-20, which has, of course, the 2-prong plug. It does the power switches off. Oh yeah. Video is in. I'll turn it on, even though the switch is a little difficult. And it comes up just fine. Okay, so Rudy, help is on the way. So that's it for this moment. But we'll see you again. Until then, yes, have a lovely day. Bye for now.